as messages encapsulate vital information and sentimental value. Knowing how to effortlessly download them from iCloud becomes a practical and essential skill, ensuring that users can navigate transitions, restore backups, and securely store their communication history. Method 1. Download messages from iCloud to iPhone via Messages in iCloud. Log into iCloud on your new iPhone using the same Apple ID associated with your old iPhone. Navigate to your iCloud account settings, your name, and select iCloud. Toggle the Messages option to the On position. Method 2. Download messages from iCloud to iPhone via iCloud Backup. Begin by erasing the iPhone. Navigate to Settings, General Reset. Select Erase All Content and Settings, Erase iPhone. Proceed with the iPhone setup until you reach the data transfer screen. Opt for either the Download from iCloud or Restore from iCloud Backup option to retrieve messages from iCloud, along with other data. Part 2. How to download messages from iCloud to PC. If you find yourself in a situation where numerous iOS data is lost due to various reasons, and the methods above prove insufficient, consider utilizing the iPhone Data Recovery Tool.